Hello everyone, my name is Bash, the lecturer in Bashcomtech. Today we'll be talking about a new topic which involves how to download and install Android Studio application. Now, Android Studio application is an application for creating Android apps, and it's very unique, and it is the number one IDE and application software for developing your Android application. The fact that 95% of mobile applications run on Android Studio. The only exceptions are the ones for Apple iOS. Now, Android Studio provides an official integrated development environment for developing apps. It is compatible with most operating systems like Windows, Linux, and other IDEs. Most developers consider it as a main factor for creating their apps from scratch um, to the end. Let's look at the key advantages of the Android Studio. Number one, it provides a faster platform for coding and illustration. It has faster vector features for emulation of your code. It boosts the self-confidence of most developers. It has robust testing mechanism. It has a Firebase support and together cloud component which allows you to operate in the Apple Cloud Store. It has a unique layout. It has a powerful development system. It is perfectly fit into Android devices. It has a vivid debugger preview. It has translation mode editors. Another big thing that you know that the Android Studio is the basis for app development. There are two programming languages usually integrated between the Android Studio. Number one, you have Java, and number two, you have Kotlin. Both of them are object-oriented programming languages. Now, also, if you want to download your Android Studio, it's so simple. Just go to your Google and type out Android Studio. Then click on the link that we have here. Then this environment comes into play once you download your application. Now, I've already made it very, very easy. I've already downloaded the application. I think the size is actually like 934 MB. So the installation process is quite easy. But click on the application. Um, Also, while installing and downloading, you also have to take note of the OS, the environment you are installing it on. Click on one. So this just takes a few minutes. Um, the next dialog box comes into play, whereby you just have to click on yes. Um, then let's hold on a second. The next thing you have to do now is to click on next. Now, click on next. Here, this shows the path and environment where the Android Studio is installed in your system. In most cases, usually installed on your program files, Android Studio directory. Then, yeah, click on next and install. Now, this will take some few minutes, so we have to hold on and wait for the installation process to complete. Uh, if, if your system has a good RAM, random access memory, and processor, it shouldn't take much time. It's okay. So the Android Studio is used to develop a vast variety of web applications, which I've said before. Um, so this will take some minutes. Then we have to click on, just hold on for a second. So hold on. And so click on next. So we are told. So this is the word. We are told with the installation, and this the way the idea looks like. So the next thing we now have to launch the application. So just click on. I'm using a Windows 11 operating system. Click on Android Studio. So then click on it. So it comes up. Just hold on a second. Yeah. So okay. Configure the installer directly. Click on OK. Hold on a second. Studio, the Android Studio application is coming up. It just takes a minute. So let's hold on. It is booting up with the cache. this page comes up, you understand? Then it says send usage statistic information. You don't need that, just click on next. Then next. So you can use the standard or custom. So we're using what installation type. You can customize if you want. But I'm going to use the standard here. Click on next. So these are the teams. So which team do you want? Do you want the white environment or this environment? It depends on what you want. So I'm going to depends on which environment you're comfortable with actually. So I'm going to use this the white environment. So, now, so this shows all the current settings that we have, the components that we have. We have the Android emulator, we have the Android SQ view, we have the Android platform. This is always ensure you check this Google API, the SDK, the source. So click on next. Yes, so click on accept. So these are the components that will be installed. Let's say we're going to click on next. Accept. Accept. Then click on next and install. Hold on a second. So you have to ensure that you have read the license agreement from top to bottom. So after that, you also click on accept, then click on next. So so after that, just hold on a second. So after reading all the license agreement, click on accept, then click on finish. Then it's booting, so just hold on a second for all these components to come in. So the download component feature will take some minutes, so we have to hold on. So this will take like 5 to 10 minutes. So hold on to all the components. Yeah, so after the download of all the Android Studio components, you see showing that the completion, that the download and installation process has completed. As I said before, the Android Studio is a very important component, and it is useful in developing a lot of apps in Android Studio for different apps of different nature. It is flexible, it is unique. Thank you all for this lecture. We'll see in our next class. Thank you all. Have a great day.